I said, this is just as delivered off of the transporter. And seats go forwards and backwards. We checked that. The heat works. This is a non-sunroof car, so the typical old 70s Porsche, the visors need to get redone. The mirrors, this one is working. Yep, that one's working. So both mirrors work. And then I didn't even look the throttle going down, and it did stay running. So it just needs a little bit of TLC with the CIS. Fuel system needs to be gone through. Seal system needs to be gone through. All the filters changed. The CIS service done, which we can perform all that at well. The interior is actually not in terrible shape. It's got a little bit of a separation starting here, but that's usually something that can be glued down. The car rotation in, holds the corner well. Shocks don't feel terrible. Shifter bushings will need to be done. Yeah, shifter bushings will need to be done.